Hey guys, it's Sarah of the FitFoodieMommy.com, and today I want to share with you one of my favorite green smoothie recipes. This is low in sugar because this uses some zucchinis which have been steamed and then frozen. I also have here some pineapples frozen. I have avocado, cucumber, fresh spinach, pure maple, and then some hemp seeds as well for that protein boost. And I'm using nut milk for today. So let me show you how I put it all together. Now time for the taste test. The color is amazing. It's delicious. It's creamy. It's not overly sweet. You can taste the pineapple in it. You can't taste the zucchini, but it's good to know it's in there, so it's really good for you, and also the spinach. So I hope you love this recipe. You can have this for a snack. You can have this for breakfast. And if you do love this, let me know in the comments below in this video. And for more cooking videos, you can head to my YouTube channel, Fit Foodie Mommy, or log on to my website, fitfoodiemommy.com, for more healthy recipes. So thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.